All right, here we are. Front yard.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, so I got it prepped
Right.
while you were getting us water. Thanks again. You have a galvanized system, which is horrible. Eventually we'll get you
Thank
a new
you.
one. At any rate.
The house was built in 1925.
Okay, let's pull it out. Okay, Todd, this is what we're going to fix it with.
All right.
Fix your problem with. And so what this is called is a triple swing joint. So
Wow.
as you can see,
Right.
this is flexible, but pretend this was in a pipe.
Right.
It will be. Well, now it can go like this.
What?
Okay.
Yeah.
It can bend.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And like this.
So why is it so
So
important?
it's great. So what's good is once it's in place, then it's still strong,
Right.
but it has a little bit of movement. And so if a car hit it,
Right.
or a shovel,
Right.
or the wheel of your lawnmower,
Right.
it has a little bit of give, so it
Okay.
doesn't break.
All right.
Is the idea.
The first thing off, if I'm driving in my front yard, I got problems. That's what I
Yes,
get, right?
yes, you do.
Then I'm going to need more than plumbing.
Exactly, and I'll take care of that for you too.
Great.
All right.
All right, so this is where the old sprinkler was.
Correct.
And so you've put this in.
I put it spiral barb 90, remember?
All right.
And so what I did is I took these two items, and there was a nipple in there. Now sometimes it's galvanized and you have to cut that. The one that was here was plastic.
Right.
So I simply went in and
that's
just pulled it out.
right. And that's what you set this in.
And then I screwed it in. I was very careful with the threads. But again, I know that this is something that you could handle. I
Right,
know it
okay.
is. So now we'll just kind of put it together. So the first thing we do is we grab our funny pipe,
All right.
flexible pipe.
Do they really call it funny pipe?
We order it that way.
Oh,
But,
okay. Well, then
but
we
I'm
call
sure it has
that.
a technical name. You just get it in there enough to cover the barbs.
So you don't need a clamp.
No clamp, just like we were talking
Okay,
about
all
before.
right.
And then I like to find a good place. We want the head pretty much close to where it was.
Right.
So I'm going to cut it right in there. I made a nice circle. And so we're just going to give it a cut. And that takes, it'll flip out of our way here. And then we've got our head. We've already put our Marlex on it,
Right.
our spiral barb, our head. And we just kind of get that in there. That takes a little bit of pushing, but you just push, 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 push. She's ready.
There you go.
Then you just set it down. We get our head.
You're watching how it's level with everything else with the
On
grass.
your house, because I really don't care, I'm gonna bury it. No. No, yeah, we are gonna pay attention. You know? Right on. I gotta mess with you.
I know, and you do. All
so
right.
you just kind of bring a little bit of dirt in, a little bit of dirt.
So you're standing it up. You're packing it around.
Yep, and you
Okay.
definitely use your fingers around the head to make it strong. Make it strong, make it strong, make it strong. And then a little bit more. You just kind of get it in there.
Well, that's really in there, though.
And sometimes it's easier if you get a rake, you know, just
Right.
kind of, but whatever, I do it with my hand.
Now, are we going to put these pieces back in all at once? Or are we going to try
Yep.
that? Okay. So should I put mine in?
Not yet, because we're not done packing. So because we gotta pack it down, otherwise it'll just float. Now this is the crazy part, but I just other times, what you may want to do, Todd, is just do this.
That's why I'm so nice to John. Did you see his fist? Yeah.
So we just use our fingers around the head. Now let's get a little more dirt. We kind of want it to be clean. Your wife will get mad. She won't give us iced tea.
She's used to it.
I want iced tea.
All right, so.
What I like to do, give it a little niceness around.
More punching.
Yep, just nice and firm. Okay, Todd, now it's time for the nozzle and the screen. This screen will pick up maybe the little bit of rocks that could get in
And
there.
that keeps it from going through the
Exactly.
nozzle. Okay.
We're using a full head
Right.
because of your area here.
Right.
So here we go. We just take this, unscrew it. That goes in. This just screws down. It's kind of tight. Voila.
Done. So you can upgrade anyone's system.
Correct. Any system out there we can get upgraded.
Are they more efficient?
Most definitely.
And what about coverage?
Better coverage, more efficient, and the nice thing, if something does happen to it,
Right.
much easier to fix the next time.
And that's what we all want,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, for sure, for sure.